When this whole thing started, I became outspoken. How we gon' go outside? But now it doesn't matter. Parties and TikTok dances, super patient zero. Was I coughing all the time? Bring the numbers and the lie. Keep the lie alive. I was coughing all the time. Bring the numbers and the lie. Try to cage me, 100-day cough. Only I know on the down low. Vaccination pain we didn't know. It can't hurt us. Once every 4 months. Cold, don't wear those. I can get halitosis on my own. Was I coughing all the time? The line between the numbers and the lie. Keep the lie alive. I was coughing all the time. The line between the numbers and the lie. Did we overdose on cold and flu? Or was that just a pro-vax plot to fool us all? Were we coughing all the time? Keep the lie alive. Were we coughing all the time? Coughing all the time. The line between the numbers and the lie. Keep the lie alive. Lie.